Hello, space enthusiasts. Welcome to Spacelag, your channel for all things space. Today, we're diving into 10 rocket launches that unfortunately ended in explosions. We'll explore what happened, learn from these events, and understand how they've helped shape the future of space exploration. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more content like this. Launch 1. Challenger, 1986. We start with the tragic accident of the Challenger in 1986, which exploded 73 seconds after liftoff, resulting in the loss of all 7 lives on board. This event shocked the world and forever changed NASA's space program.
Velocity 2,257 feet per second. Altitude 4.3 nautical miles. Downrange distance 3 nautical miles.
So the 25th Space Shuttle mission is now on the way after more delays than NASA cares to count. This morning, it looked as though they were not going to be able to get off.
1 minute 15 seconds. Velocity 2,900 feet per second. Altitude 9 nautical miles. Downrange distance 7 nautical miles.
Looks like a couple of the solid rocket boosters blew away from the side of the shuttle in an explosion.
Flight controllers here looking very carefully at the situation. Obviously a major malfunction.
Launch 2. Soyuz 11, 1971. In 1971, Soyuz 11 suffered a fatal decompression in space after detaching from the Salyut 1 space station, leading to the death of the entire crew. This incident highlights the risks of space exploration.
On board, and we are feeling well. Copy. Lock 1.
Hearing good first stage performance for the Soyuz, delivering 930,000 pounds of thrust from its 4 boosters and single engine. Everything looking good, proceeding nominally.
Inaudible.
And we have the escape tower for the Soyuz now jettisoned.
Launch 3. Falcon 1 Flight 3 SpaceX. SpaceX's third flight of Falcon 1 in 2008 failed to reach orbit due to a problem with the upper stage. Although there was no dramatic explosion, it was a significant setback for the company. Launch 4. Antares Orbital Sciences 2014. The Antares rocket from Orbital Sciences exploded seconds after launch in 2014. The failure was attributed to an engine problem and led to a complete redesign of the rocket.
TDC slew initiated. T-minus 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we had ignition.
And we have liftoff of Antares for the Orbital 3 mission, delivering Cygnus on its third CRS mission to the ISS.
Launch 5. Long March 3B, China, 1996. One of the most devastating accidents occurred in 1996 when China's Long March 3B exploded shortly after liftoff, causing many ground fatalities. Launch 6, N1, Soviet Union, 1969. The N1 rocket, which was the Soviet Union's hope for landing a man on the moon, failed in all 4 of its launch attempts, with at least one resulting in a massive explosion. Launch 7, Starship SN1, SpaceX 2020. SpaceX's Starship SN1 prototype exploded during a pressure test in 2020. Despite the setback, each failure brought valuable lessons for the development of the spacecraft. Launch 8, Starship SN3, SpaceX 2020. Another SpaceX prototype, Starship SN3, also failed the cryogenic pressure test, leading to a structural failure and explosion. Launch 9, VLS-1 V03, Brazil 2003. The Brazilian VLS-1 V03 rocket exploded on the launch pad in 2003, killing 21 technicians. It was a dark day for the Brazilian Space Agency. Launch 10, Proton-M, Russia 2013. In 2013, Russia's Proton-M rocket turned upside down shortly after launch due to an installation error of the angular velocity sensors, resulting in an explosion. While these events are tragic, they are crucial reminders of the inherent risks of space exploration. Each failure teaches us something new and helps us move forward more safely and knowledgeably. Thank you for watching, and see you next time, here on Spacelag.